Hi guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to create presentation slide with Tome AI. If you're in a hurry and you have to create a presentation slide about in your work or in your education, then Tome AI will get you covered because Tome has a lot of beautiful features, especially in creating a presentation slide in just a couple of seconds. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's go to Tome website, and if you're done in logging in, then we can now proceed in creating a presentation, right? So don't forget, guys, to make your Tome app, okay, set in the desktop side. Alright, so let's set this one, and as you can see, we are now in the desktop side. So now, let us proceed to presentation creation. Right, so over here, the upper right part of the screen, click create. And as you can see, there are a lot of options over here that you choose from. Alright, so since we are going to create a presentation, just tap this create presentation. Okay, and after that, what is the presentation about? So here you can now type or paste the topics that you want to create. Let's say, for example, I want Tome to create me the 8 parts of speech. Okay, the 8 parts of speech. Alright, so now after that, click enter, and Tome is now generating an outline, alright, for you. Okay, so there is an introduction, okay, and the noun, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. So now over here, Tome already have the slides for the 8 parts of speech. So the next step is click this continue, alright, and Tome is now start creating a presentation slide. Right, so as you can see, alright, so presentation created. Wow! In just a couple of seconds, we have already an instant presentation slide. So worry no more. Alright, so as you can see, guys, so you can see the beautiful presentation slide of Tome. Alright, so there we go, guys. This is on how to create a presentation slide using Tome AI. So, if you want to know on how to create presentation slide with Tome AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you want to know on how to create presentation slide with Tome AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye!